marks 4 and question number 17. Given that between 4 to 31 there are n arithmetic mean, therefore the total number of term of this series of AP series, arithmetic means this is an AP series where first term is 4 and last term is 31. In between them there are n arithmetic mean, therefore the total number of term would be n plus 2. Okay, and 31 be the last term, 31 be the last term, but that is the n plus 2 th term. Okay, n plus 2 th term. So 31st is equal to first term plus n minus 1 into d. N matlab n plus 2. Okay, then d here is 27 by n plus 1. And by given condition, see that the ratio, given that the ratio of the second mean by last mean is equal to 5 by 14. Now second mean of this series, first mean and this is the second mean. Therefore the of this series, second means the third term of the series. Second mean equal to third term. Third term is equal to क्या होगा? A plus 3 minus 1 into d. A means 4, 2 into d. And put the value of d. D means 27 by n plus 1. And last mean here is, last term is 31. So their previous term is called the last mean. 31 minus d. 31 minus d. So 31 minus d. Put the value d is equal to 27 by n. By given condition, second mean by last mean is equal to 5 by 14. And put the value second mean is this and last mean is this. And we got n equal to n. Got n equal to 8. Okay. This is your solution. And now see the question number 19 of marks 14. And here given that the p term, q term and r term, this is the small p, q, r are respectively of an AP series are capital P, q and r respectively. Then so that these values would be 0. And by given condition, p term, this is the small p, is equal to capital Q, p term is capital P. And from that, a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to p. This is the first equation. And same as t suffix q is equal to capital Q. A plus q minus 1 into d, 1 into d is equal to q. That is the second equation. And t suffix r is equal to capital R. By given condition, r term, small r term is capital R, small q term is capital Q, small p term is capital P, and like that. Okay. And therefore t suffix r equal to capital R, a plus small r minus 1 into d. This is the third equation. And see here, q minus r, r minus p, and p minus q. Find these three values from equation number 1, 2, 3. And doing 1 minus 2, then you got p minus q. This is the value of p and this is the value of q. And taking common d from these, a are cancelled out and p minus 1 minus q plus 1. 1 is cancelled out, so p minus q into d. So see here, capital P minus capital Q is equal to small d times of small p minus small q. That is question number 5. Similarly, we can find the value of q minus r also, that is d times of q minus r. This is q minus of capital Q, capital R. Similarly, small q or smaller from this 4 number equation. Similarly, we got, so capital R minus P is equal to d times of small r minus p. From this 4 থেকে আমরা এটা পেয়ে যেতে পারি, and put the value from 5, 4 and 6 also to this part of the required equation, required condition. Q minus r value is this, r minus p value is this, p minus q value is this. If we taking common d from this within the third bracket and put and simplify this within the third bracket is give us 0. 0 into d is 0. And number 20, see here, b plus c by a, c plus a by b, a plus b by c are in AP, and also so that 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are also in AP. And since this is turned in AP, so we can write second minus first equal to third minus second, and give us this. Okay, and see here, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. So let's see, the numerator part are here, all are 1. So that's why if we add on the first part, second part, third part and fourth part by 1, look here, দেখো 1 1 কেটে যাচ্ছে, 1 1 cancel out হচ্ছে, so adding 1 and subtracting 1, same as adding 1 and subtracting 1, and see this the condition, and taking LCM b from this part, so a plus b plus c, and taking also a with the LCM of this part, then a plus b plus c also here, and c equal to c, numerator part is c plus a plus b, and b plus c plus a by b, and taking common a plus b plus c from the left hand side, and we got within the first bracket here 1 by b minus 1 by a, and taking common a plus b plus c from the right hand side, and c here is within the first bracket 1 by c and 1 by b, and cancel out both the part a plus b plus c on the both side, and since given that a plus b plus c are not equal to 0, that's why these are part are should be cancel out. So 1 by b minus 1 by a equal to 1 by c minus 1 by b. So we can write that 1 by b 1 by c, sorry 1 by a 1 by b 1 by c are in AP. Okay. If S be the sum of the first 2n plus 1 term of an AP, and the sum of the terms in odd position of this 2n plus 1 term be S dash, then show that n plus 1 into S equal to n plus 2n plus 1 into S dash. So let us assume a series, total number of term be 2n plus 1. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then series is this 2l. This is the number of term here is 2n plus 1. Then sum is there, a is equal to 2n plus 1 by, this is given 2n plus 1 by 2, 2a plus 2n, this is 2n plus 1 minus 1 into d, this is the number of term. Okay, and a be the first term and d be the common difference, let us assume. So taking common 2 from this within the third bracket, the 2 are cancelled out, 2n plus 1 into a plus nb times of 2n plus 1, this is the number one conditions. Okay, and now the odd position of this series there is a plus 2d, a plus 4d. Therefore the odd position of the number of the series be, they are defined be twice d and first term be a. Therefore sum of this series is equal to s dash, given that. So 2n, let's see, if we have a 5 to 1 2 3 4 5, this is first, second, third, fourth and 5. See here, this is the number of term is odd, and see the number of term odd, then there are 3 odd number and there are 2 even number. So there are 2n plus 1 number be the odd, therefore the odd number be more than the even number. So number of term will be odd, this is the number of term, odd number of term position be n plus 1, and even number that is n. So the sum of this series be n plus 1 by 2 2a or n plus 1 minus 1 into 2d. তো তোমরা একটু দেখে নাও যারা বেঙ্গলোরের আছে। সো দেয়ার আর দ্য অড নাম্বার সিরিজ আছে, আমাদের নিতে বলেছে দ্য অড পজিশন। তো অড পজিশন নাম্বার 1 3 5, ভালো করে দেখো ইন দ্যাট সিরিজ যদি 1 থেকে 5টা টার্ম থাকে সবসময় দেখো অড নাম্বারটা মোর দ্যান দ্য ইভেন নাম্বার টার্ম। সো দেখো এখানে 5টা টার্ম আছে, তো 3টে হচ্ছে অড হবে আর 2টো ইভেন হবে। ওকে, 3 নাম্বার বি, 3টে নাম্বার হচ্ছে অড হবে আর 2 নাম্বার বি ইভেন হবে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখানে তোমার দুটো পার্টে ভেঙে নাও, 2n নাম্বার অড যদি মানে নাম্বার অফ সিরিজ হয়, সো n প্লাস 1 হচ্ছে অড হবে আর n হচ্ছে তোমার ইভেন নাম্বার অফ টার্ম হবে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই নাম্বার অফ টার্ম যদি n হয়, সো n প্লাস 1 বাই 2 2a n প্লাস 1 মাইনাস 1 ইন্টু 2d, আর ডিফারেন্স বি 2d, দেখে নাও দিস মাইনাস দিস 2d, দিস মাইনাস দিস 2d. Okay, let's see, this is 2, and from 1 and 2 you see, if we divide that by 1 and 2, then we got s by s dash is equal to this by this. So this is we cancel out, so n times of s is equal to 2n plus 1 times of s dash. This is true. Okay, and this number question marks number 5, and see question number 3. Let Sn be the sum of the first n terms of an AP series, and given that s2n is equal to 5 times of Sn, and also find the value of s3n by s2n. Very simple. Let us assume x be the first term and d be the y be the common difference. So s2n simple একদম ফর্মুলা লিখে দেবে, জাস্ট এটা লিখবে sn মানে হচ্ছে তোমার এটা পেয়ে গেলে by given condition s2n is equal to 5 times of sn, and s2n is this equation, and from this, and sn from this, put this position. Okay, and I got 2x is equal to y by 3 3 minus n, and find the ratio s3n by s2n. Put the value 3n by 2 2a 2x into 3n minus 1 into y, same as 2n terms, 2n by 2 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d means y here. So put the value 2x, that is y by 3 or 3 minus n in this position, and taking LCM 3 from this part and also this part. You got the ratio 12 by 5. Got the ratio 12 by 5. Okay, this is your answer. And marks question number 5. If S1, S2, S3 with a sum of n terms of a 3 APs whose each of the series be 1, first term be 1, and their common difference respectively are 1, 2, 3, then show that S1 or S3 is equal to S2. And from this condition S1 key sum of the n terms whose first term is 1 and common difference is 1 given here. So n by 2, 2a into n minus 1 into d, a equal to 1 and d equal to 1. And a for S2, first term is 1 and d with the d equal to 2 with the common difference. Then n by 2, 2a n minus 1 into 2. Same as for third series, number of term be n, a with the 1 and d with the common difference, d means 3. 2 into 1, n minus 1 into 3. Simplify করে নাও. So S1 plus S2 from this condition, for this condition S1 plus S3 add করে দাও, করলে 2n square. And 2 times of S2টা এখানে বসিয়ে দাও, that is 2n square. So both are same, so this is equal to this proved. Question number 8 for marks 5 chapter. The sum of two AP series and number of term be n, if the ratio of the sum of the series be 4n minus 13 and 3n plus 10, and find the ratio of the 9 terms. Let us assume x be the first term and y be the common difference for the first APs, and for the second APs let a be in the first term and k be the common difference for the second APs. From this condition Sn is equal to n by 2 2x or n minus 1 into d, and same as Sn dash n by 2 2m n minus 1 into k, where m is the first term and k is the common difference for the second APs. And by given condition Sn by Sn dash is equal to this by this, and this is the given 4n minus 13 by 3n plus 10. N by 2 cancel out, and this is equation number 1. And for the ratio for 9 terms, let T9 and T9 dash. For this x plus 9 minus 1 into t, and for the second series m into 8 minus 1 into k, and that is x plus 8y by m plus 8k. If we compare these two equation, let's see twice x and twice m here. So we might multiply numerator and denominator part by 2, then compare with 2 or 1, like here twice x and twice x, here 2m and 2m. And let's see the coefficient of y is 9n minus 1, and also this is k, this is k, and coefficient of k be n minus 1, and same as y be 16 and k be 16. So n minus 1 equal to 16, let equal to 17. Let us assume n equal to 70. If we put n equal to 17 to the equation number 1, see here, so put this 17, and in the place of n also 17, and got the ratio 55 by 61. And see here 2x plus 16y. Why we are compare with the 2 and 1 here, 16 and 16. তাহলে এই 16টা 17টা যদি এখানে বসিয়ে দিই, দেখো এখানে we got the ratio the 8 terms, 9 terms. So এখান থেকে তোমরা দেখো 2টা কমন নাও, see here x plus 2টা যদি কমন নিয়ে নাও, 2টা কমন নিয়ে ক্যান্সেল আউট করে দাও, x plus 8y by m plus 8y, and give us 55 by 61. This is your required answer. Okay, তাহলে এই টাইমে রেশিও ছিল x plus 8y m plus 8 হলো, এটার সঙ্গে কম্পেয়ার করার জন্য এই যে 2x 2m আছে, 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে এবার এইটার সঙ্গে এটা কম্পেয়ার করো, 2x মিলে গেছে, 2m tm সেম, বাট y এখানে y 16, এখানে n minus 1 সেম, k আর এখানে 16 আর এখানে n minus 1. So that's why n minus 1 equal to 16, n equal to 17. So n equal to 17 যদি 1 এ তুমি বসিয়ে দাও, তুমি তাহলে এই রেশিওটা পেয়ে যাবে. ওকে, আমরা পেয়ে গেলাম.